Perkenalkan, nama saya Daniel Suryawijaya dengan NIM 20085610044. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang comparison. Tentang pertama adalah making comparison with S, bla 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 S. Nah, di sini ada tabel di mana kita bisa tahu yang ada subtabel yang pertama ini S bla S digunakan untuk menyatakan dua bagian dari compression yang memiliki nilai sama atau mirip, mirip mirip pada beberapa cara atau aspek. Pertama, kita tahu dah Tina berusia 21 dan Sam juga 21. Di sini kita bisa memakai Tina as old as Sam. Sam ini benar bahwa Tina dan Sam sama-sama tuannya. Ya, ya. Selanjutnya adalah negative form. Negative form sendiri dengan penambahan not di depan s bla 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 s. Atau kita bisa lebih banyak menggunakan not quite s dan not nearly s. Perbedaannya adalah di not quite sendiri itu memiliki perbedaan yang kecil antara bagian satu dan bagian duanya. Sedangkan not nearly s ini memiliki perbedaan yang besar. Contohnya di sini adalah Ted berusia 20 dan Tina 21. Ted is not quite as old as Tina. Ini benar. Dimana karena Tina dan Ted tidak memiliki rentang usia yang jauh. Sedangkan di yang E ini, Ami berusia 5 tahun. Dan berarti she is not nearly as old as Tina. Ini benar. Karena dia tuh dan Tina jaraknya sangat jauh, yaitu sekitar 16 tahun. Nah, besok ada beberapa modifikasi umum dari S bla 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 S, yaitu just dan nearly or almost. Selanjutnya adalah komparatif dan superlatif. Pertama dari komparatif. Komparatif sendiri adalah membandingkan yang pertama dan yang kedua, nah, dengan penambahan or atau more. Di mana komparatif ini diikuti oleh dan, sedangkan superlatif itu adalah pembandingan satu bagian dengan seluruh grup dari bagian itu sendiri dengan menggunakan penambahan s atau mods. Dan ini dimulai dengan the. Contohnya di sini adalah A is older than B. Ini mengatakan bahwa A lebih tua daripada B. Sedangkan di D ini A, B, C, D are sister. A is the oldest of all four sisters. Ini menyatakan bahwa A merupakan yang paling tua dari seluruh grup saudari ini berempat. Comparative and superlative form of adjective and adverb. Di sini ada one syllable adjective di mana biasanya menggunakan er dan s, sedangkan two syllable adjective ini kebanyakan secara umum menggunakan more dan most, tapi ada beberapa yang menggunakan er dan s, yaitu yang akhirannya y, adjektif yang belakang y yang berubah menjadi i. Contohnya busi menjadi busia di sini i-nya, nah, y-nya di sini menjadi i. Dan ada beberapa two syllable adjektif yang bisa menggunakan er dan s atau more dan most. Contohnya adalah clever. Di sini bisa menjadi cleverer atau more cleverer. Atau more clever, sorry, maaf. Bisa jadi the cleverest atau the most clever. Selanjutnya adjektif with three or more syllable. Ini biasanya menggunakan more dan most. Selanjutnya adalah irregular adjektif, di mana memiliki bentuk uniknya sendiri atau irregular, berbeda dengan yang lain. Jadi good menjadi better, bukan good menjadi gooder, bukan. Good bisa superlatifnya menjadi the best, bukan menjadi the goodest. Selanjutnya adalah adverb yang akhirannya li. Ini menggunakan more dan most. One syllable adverb menggunakan er dan as. Dan irregular adverb sama dengan irregular adjektif, dia memiliki bentuknya sendiri. Jadi untuk superlatif dan komparatif. Dan yang terakhir adalah completing a comparative. Di sini formal English subject pronoun akan mengikuti then. Artinya setelah kata then ini akan ada subject pronoun. non. Contohnya adalah I'm older than my brother. I'm older than he is. Selanjutnya adalah auxiliary verb itu juga akan mengikuti subjek setelah then. He works harder than I do. Ini sama dengan artinya he works harder than I work. Dan yang terakhir adalah possessive noun. Possessive noun atau pronoun mungkin mengikuti then. Di sini contoh adalah yang mengikuti then. Contohnya adalah and hair is longer than cat. Artinya rambut dari An ini lebih panjang dari milik cat. Sekian, terima kasih.
Baik, perkenalkan, nama saya Gede Krisna Surya Artajaya, NIM 074. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang modifying comparative. Jadi pada subtabel pertama kita bisa melihat bahwa very sering digunakan untuk memodify adjective. Contohnya adalah Tom is very old, dan adverb contohnya adalah and drive very carefully. Keduanya menggunakan kata very. Akan tetapi very tidak bisa digunakan untuk memodify comparative adjective dan comparative adverb. Maka dari itu kita menggunakan much, a lot, atau far, dan bisa juga menggunakan a little atau a little bit. Bedanya, much, a lot, atau far ini digunakan untuk mengungkapkan perbedaan yang jauh, sedangkan untuk yang a little atau a little bit digunakan untuk mengungkapkan perbedaan yang tidak terlalu jauh. Contoh untuk yang much, a lot, atau farnya adalah Tom is much atau a lot atau far older than I am. Sedangkan untuk yang a little atau a little bitnya, Ben is a little atau a little bit older than I am. Next, saya akan menjelaskan tentang comparison with less bla 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 than and not as bla 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 as, yang mana keduanya adalah lawan dari er atau more dan memiliki makna yang sama. Nah, less dan not as bla 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 as digunakan dengan adjective dan adverb yang memiliki lebih dari satu suku kata. Contohnya adalah a pen is less expensive than a book, dan yang kedua a pen is not as expensive as a book. Nah, untuk yang adverb atau adjective yang memiliki satu suku kata hanya menggunakan not as bla 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 as. Contohnya adalah a pen is not as large as a book. Nah, selanjutnya using superlative. Jadi superlative ini digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu itu paling atau ter. Contohnya, Tokyo is one of the largest cities in the world. Yang kedua, David is the most generous person I have ever known. Dan yang ketiga, I have 3 books. These 2 are quite good, but this one is the best book of all. Jadi dari ketiga contoh kalimatnya itu, superlatif digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu itu paling atau ter. Nah, pada kasus kalimat A, superlatif itu digunain di depan in a place, dan place-nya ini bisa the world, this class, my family, the corporation, atau yang lainnya. Dan pada kalimat yang kedua, superlatif itu berada di depan adjective clause. Dan untuk yang kalimat ketiga, superlatif berada di depan of all. Jadi bisa kita simpulkan untuk superlatif itu selalu berada di depan. Nah, selain ada yang berarti paling atau ter, ada juga yang berarti tidak paling, atau kalau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya the least maksud saya. Contohnya itu, I took 4 final exam. The final in accounting was the least difficult of all. Jadi di sini dia menyatakan bahwa ujian yang ada di accountingnya itu yang paling tidak susah dari semua examnya. Selain itu ada namanya one of, dimana one of ini memiliki pattern, yaitu one of plus plural noun, dan bisa juga ditambah dengan singular verb. Contohnya, Ali is one of the best students in this class. Jadi pada kalimat ini ada one of dan plural noun-nya. Terus yang kalimat kedua adalah one of the best students in this class is Ali. Jadi ada one of-nya, terus plural noun-nya, dan ada singular verb-nya. Selanjutnya adalah using the same, similar, different, like, alike. Nah, pada subtabel pertama kita bisa melihat bahwa the same, similar, and different digunakan sebagai adjektif, dan kita harus mencermati bahwa same akan selalu didahului oleh kata the. Contohnya adalah John and Mary have the same books, John and Mary have similar books, John and Mary have different books. Lalu ketiga kata tersebut bisa diikuti oleh sebuah kata. Perbedaannya adalah the same akan diikuti oleh as, similar akan diikuti oleh to, different akan diikuti oleh from. Dimana jika suatu comparison yang menggunakan different itu dilengkapi oleh satu klausa, maka from-nya ini akan diganti oleh than. Selanjutnya, sebuah kata benda atau noun bisa berada di antara the same dan as. Contohnya, she is the same age as my mother. Yang kedua, my shoes are the same size as yours. Lalu untuk yang like dan alike, itu patternnya seperti ini. Untuk yang like, noun plus be like plus noun. Contohnya, my pen is like your pen. Dan untuk yang be like-nya, noun and noun plus be alike. Contohnya, my pen and your pen are alike. Dan like juga bisa mengikuti beberapa verb, ya, terutama yang verb yang berhubungan dengan panca indera, seperti she looks like her sister, it sounds like thunder, the material feels like silk, the smells like gas, the chemical tastes like salt. Selanjutnya, like juga bisa digunakan untuk beberapa verb lainnya selain be ya. Jadi contohnya adalah the twins look alike, we think alike, my sister and I talk alike, dan yang lainnya. Sekian presentasi atau pemaparan materi dari saya. Selanjutnya akan ada exercise dari teman saya. Terima kasih.
Hello, my name is Daryl Kurniawan and my last number is 89, and today I will give you some exercise for comparison. And before we start the exercise, here's some quotes from Mason Cooley that said, procrastinate makes easy things hard things harder. Hopefully you can understand what quotes mean, and it can improve your life more and more. So let's go to the exercise. So for the first exercise is a comparison with as blah 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 as. The direction is using the given words. So they give us words and we need to complete the sentence with as blah 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 as. And you could use a negative verb if appropriate. So here's two questions about the comparison with as blah blah as. You can pause the video to write your answer, or you can keep it on your mind before I give you the correct answer. Okay, you ready? So here's the correct answer for the first question, for the first exercise. For number one, like a notion. So you can make a negative verb of this for this. A lake isn't as big as an ocean. That was the logically true, because a lake isn't as big as an ocean. Like lake is just as a very big pool, and ocean is an entire sea. You could yeah, that was the comparison for it. And number two, honey and sugar. You can make the sentence honey is just as sweet as sugar, or you can reverse it like some variation like sugar is just as sweet as honey. It's have a equal score to compare. For number three, good health and money. So you can make some sentence like money isn't as important as good health, and that was true, because when you had a really big amount of money but you have some cancer and it's done, all your money was lost to cure your cancer. So for the next exercise is comparative and superlative. The direction is to correct the errors. Here's a 3 question for you. You can pause the video and write your answer before I give you the correct one. So you ready? Here's the answer for comparative and superlative. For number 1, Alaska is largest state in the United States, and the error is we need to put the error is that sentence doesn't have a the before the largest, which means you didn't make it Alaska as a noun, and you have to put the because it's superlative, and it would be the correct answer, like Alaska is the largest state in the United States. And number 2, Texas is the larger from French Inland. You don't actually need the in this case because it's comparative, which is you compare Texas and France and doesn't need the for it. Yeah, and that from word is wrong. I have to change by then because we compare to stuff in it. And for number 3, old shoes are usually more comfortable to new shoes, and this is a comparative too, which you compare the old shoes and new shoes, and you need a comparative word like then, because and you can exchange the two with a then to make this to be the correct sentence. Okay, for the next exercise is further and further. The direction is to complete the sentence with further and or further, or use both if possible. Okay, you can pause the video to answer by your own, or we can just go next to see the correct answer. Okay, so correct answer for number 1 is first is further, or you can use both of it because this first is further is have some meaning like very far, or can use for distance, and further too you could use it for distance too. But sometimes further is being more like a verb than the further. Like this number 2, I give my old computer to my younger sister because I had the further use for it. Like I have no continuous stuff to use for it, like that. And number 3, I like my new apartment, but it is further. Yeah, you could use both of it because it's saying the distance about your new apartment. Okay, so for the next last exercise is completing a comparative. Okay, the direction is to complete the sentence, use pronouns in the competition. Here's a 3 question for you, and you can pause the video to write your own answer or keeping on your mind before I give you the correct one. So here the correct one is for number 1. Peggy is 13 and she feels sad. She thinks most of the other girls in school are far more popular than she is or her. That would be the correct pronoun for the number 1. Yeah, you can choose one of it, like then she is or her, and that's still correct. Number 2, the children can lift that heavy box, but Mr. Ford can. He's stronger than they are, or them. Yeah, that pronoun is referring to the children. And for number 3, Jim isn't a very good speller. I can spell much better than he can or him. Yeah, you could use he can or him, and that would be still the correct pronouns for question number 3. Okay, so that's it. The exercise for me. Hopefully, it can help you to understand more about the comparative. And next we'll next my friend will give you the other exercise. So see ya.
Okay, so the first thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Revi Valen Sumendap, and my name is 200-856-1099. So after my friend do some exercise about comparison in exercise number 1, right now we're gonna do some more exercise about comparison so we can understand comparison better. Let's go. Okay, so in this exercise we're gonna do 4 type of exercise. The first one is modifying comparative. The second one is comparison with less, blah blah blah, then, and not as, blah 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 as. Exercise number 3 is using superlative, and exercise number 4 is using the same, similar, different, like, alike. Okay, so we go to the exercise number 1. So in this exercise, we're gonna add very, much, a lot, far to this sentence. So these are the sentence. The first one is an airplane is fast. The answer is an airplane is very fast. So in this one, you're gonna add very. The second one is taking an airplane is faster than hitchhiking. The answer is taking an airplane is much or a lot or far faster than hitchhiking. So we can use much, we can use a lot, and we can use far. For either one is good for this sentence. Okay, number 3 is you can live inexpensively in student housing. The answer is this one. And the fourth one is you can live more inexpensively in student housing than in a rented apartment. And these are the answer. Okay, we go move to the exercise number 2. Okay, so in this exercise, we're gonna use the correct answer, whether it A or B or both. So these are the the question. Number 1 is a bee is blah 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 big blah 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 a bird. So the answer is A or B or both of them. So like what my friend Krishna say when he's the part of the explanation, when an adjective and adverb is have like when the adjective and adverb is have one syllable, like this one big is only have one syllable, the answer is gonna be B. But when the adjective and the adverb is have more than one syllable, like 2, 3, 4 or more, the answer is gonna be A and B. The same as like the number 3, because the adjective and the adverb is have more than one syllable, the answer is A and B. So that are for exercise number 2. We move to the exercise number 3. So in this exercise, we're gonna complete the sentence with superlative and the appropriate preposition, whether it in or of. So these are the sentence. This is blank campus blank in the city. The answer is this is the biggest campus in the city. The second one is Kuta Beach is beautiful. It is one of blank beach blank the world. So when we add the superlative and the preposition, Kuta Beach is beautiful. It is one of the most beautiful beach in the world. And the third one is everyone who ran in the race was exhausted, but I was blank all. The answer is everyone who ran in the race was exhausted, but I was the most exhausted of all. So these are when we add the superlative and the preposition. So we move to the exercise number 4. So in this one, we're gonna complete the sentence with as, to, from, or ex if no word is necessary. So these are the sentence. Number 1 is an orange is similar blank a grapefruit. They are both citrus fruits. The answer is 2. The number 2, but an orange is not the same blank a grapefruit. A grapefruit is usually larger and sourer. The answer is us. The number 3, an orange is different blank a grapefruit. The answer is from. And the fourth one and the last one, an orange is like blank a grapefruit in some ways, but they are not exactly alike blank. So in here we're gonna just throw some X because there's no word is necessary for this sentence. It's already good. So that's all the exercise about comparison by me. The next one is gonna be the conclusion that's gonna be represented by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Syarif Hidatullah, name 014. From the material my friend described about comparison, we can take conclusion. Comparison. Comparison is a form of adjective or adverb that express comparison. There are three kinds of comparison, namely positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree. Positive degree is a type of degree of comparison which has an adjective or adverb in the simplest form. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is a form of comparison in English used to compare two things that are not equivalent because we already know which one is better or more fitting. This is the form er or more. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is an adjective and an verb for comparison in English. In English grammar, superlative degree is the third degree in a degree of comparison. This is the form is or most. The following is an example: positive wise, comparative wiser, superlative wisest, positive polite, comparative politer, superlative politest, positive brave, comparative braver, superlative bravest. Maybe that's all from our group, and thank you.